Hi, I'm Dr. Albert Tsagikyan, and I decided to make the series of videos devoted or researching a very interesting phenomena called parapsychic paranormal phenomena, which is in somehow God's gift. And still, science doesn't know too much about that gift. Quantum physics opened up the door a little bit, shedding the light that we understand that basically if everything is energy, so energy has a vibration has a frequency, and people with paranormal psychic ability being triggered by some information or words or some other conditions, they can go into the different dimensions in energy form, explore the dimensions, and interact with humanoids or non-humanoids, um, speak with different people, which leads to energy exchange. They can all of a sudden speak different languages they have never learned before. All of a sudden they can find lost valuables in places they have never been before. They can investigate the murder cases and many, many other interesting things they can do. So, but apart from that, I was very interested to know if our society, human society can use their unique ability to help to treat the deadly diseases. Maybe they can go into the human body in an energy form, explore it to locate the diseases and tell us about undergoing processes and causes of the diseases, and even come up with some like formula or curing treatment ideas. I was thinking about it many years, and I didn't have any proof for that. But thanks to my friend Donna DiPietro, who is a real psychic, has been involved in many interesting, famous cases because of her skill, we decided to do this experience. And she has seen very interesting things I believe that everybody should know. We are not trying to say that we found the cure of deadly diseases, not at all. But we're just offering some information which is real because Donna has seen them in other reality. It means they are existing. We can use that information to become healthier, happier, to cure ourselves from any deadly diseases. That's why we are going to do with her a series of videos devoted to different diseases that still our science or medical science trying to beat couldn't. We're going to talk about cancer. So deadly cancer diseases that medical science trying to beat using, the chemotherapy, many other ways. Basically, but what is our main reason that we can't really beat the cancer, cure the cancer? The problem is we know that our defense system, which is a combination of T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, there are defenders, our soldiers, our regiment, army. They ready to come and kill all, let's say, foreign bodies, foreign cells. But the cancer cells, they are disguising themselves, covering themselves, their membrane with some structures which is normal, which is a normal structures of body. And our defenders, our soldiers, our immune system, they couldn't recognize them as a foreign bodies. So what we can do that cancer cells, they're covering or disguising themselves with the membrane, which is pretty close structurally to normal body's membrane, and that membrane has a color. It's greenish or transparent. And so let's see how that process has been seen by Donna. I gave her that information and asked her if she could see something unusual, maybe that could be some sort of breakthrough in beating that deadly disease. So I'm gonna just invite Donna to take my place and ask her a few questions about her vision. So, and I believe you would find it very, very intriguing. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, Donna DiPietro. Hi, Donna.
Hi.
Donna, thank you very much for your willingness to help us to really investigate this deadly disease from your point of view. So, as I told before, so cancer cells, they are dangerous because they disguising themselves, covering themselves with membrane, which is structurally looks normal for our defenders, our immune cells. So, how do you see that process? What's the color, in real color, of that deadly disease that our immune system should recognize and destroy?
Well, I know you had mentioned this to me a few weeks ago, and for some reason I thought about, since years ago, I always thought of cancer as the color yellow.
Right.
And so I said what I saw was the membranes that are cancerous blue. I saw them as blue, kind of shiny, and they're round, kind of roundish like this, and connected.
Correct.
And I see them as shiny. And then you had mentioned that the healthy cells are green. So the yellow and the blue, if you mix them, it comes up with the color green.
Right.
So I thought that was very interesting, how I see them as blue, and they're trying to disguise themselves, but I can see them, instead of seeing them as green and they're disguising themselves, I can see through that, and I can see that they're blue.
So very interesting. Basically, what you're telling me, that you can see that real true color of the cancerous cells are bluish, dark blue, or right?
Like medium blue, I see them,
like medium,
kind of a medium
blue.
Blue.
So, and so basically, if we pass this information to our audience, and maybe they can transfer this information to someone whom they know suffering from cancer, they may give this information to their immune system, defense system, and maybe they can go dig deeper, and find that cancer cells. What do you think? Distinguishing them by color.
Well, it's a possibility, but also scientists who are trying to find a cure, hopefully they can look into this and see what I see.
Correct.
Yeah.
So what you're trying to say, the scientists from different labs all over the world,
yes,
they can have this information, this coloration of cancer cells, their true color, which is medium blue, okay, and they maybe can find some way to help the body to see that real color of the cancer cells. Not the greenish, but real medium blue one. Right. Is that would be really some sort of breakthrough?
Yes, I believe so, yes.
Donna, I heard that there is some Japanese herb. If the people making some teas out of that herb, and that herb helps really to show the true color of cancerous cells, basically. What do you think about that?
Well, it would be great if it worked. You know, they could look into that and see.
What do you think if, let's say, I'm quite sure some people who are watching our video, some of them, they're suffering from the deadly disease. If they consciously use that information, tell their own immune cells, their soldiers, their defenders, to look for, like, underneath of the green colored structured membrane, look deeper to that medium blue. Is that would be really helpful, because we know that our defenders, they have a memory. Can they really fight deeper to cure patients? What do you think?
Well, it's a possibility, and you might as well give it a try.
Right. They don't have anything to lose, right?
That's right.
That's great. That's a great discovery, Donna. Thank you very much for your vision. See how you have been excited when you have seen that, because and how the picture looks like. I mean, it just coming to you as a movie, as a film.
It was right there. I mean, as we were talking about it, it just appeared to me, and it was amazing. And when I was describing it, you said that's what it looks like. You know, the membrane and all that. It's amazing.
It's great. It's great. Donna, it's a great help. This information, it's really amazing because the scientists can really try to find some, maybe some liquids that they can help with the color distinguishing mechanism of our defense system, our soldiers. And I believe if our patients give that information mentally to their immune system, they would dig deeper until they see that dark blue colored disguised cancer cells and destroy them by making some holes and injecting enzyme deadly for the cancer cells enzymes. This is how that really works. Do you see that mechanism, Dawn, in your mind or in your vision?
I do, definitely. And it's overwhelming.
Very good. Thank you very much, Donna.
Very well.
So we will continue a series with Donna DiPietro, real psychic, and see how she sees the development or any other deadly diseases like Alzheimer's diseases, Parkinson, and many others. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for our videos, for our future videos. Donna, thank you again.
You're very welcome.